What are the Helium 10 support resources? Helium 10 offers a wide range of support resources designed to help Amazon sellers at every experience level. These resources provide guidance on using the platform effectively, mastering FBA strategies, and growing your business confidently. Whether you're just starting or already scaling your Amazon brand, Helium 10's support ecosystem ensures you have the help and knowledge you need at every step. The most valuable support resources include Helium 10 Academy, which offers free video-based training courses on product research, keyword optimization, PPC advertising, and listing management. Sellers can also access webinars, live workshops, and tutorials led by e-commerce experts. Additionally, Helium 10's detailed knowledge base provides step-by-step guides and troubleshooting articles to help users get the most from each tool. For personalized support, Helium 10 offers responsive customer service and community access. Sellers can reach out via chat or email for assistance, or join the official Helium 10 Facebook group where thousands of sellers share insights, experiences, and growth tips. This combination of direct support and community knowledge makes it one of the best ecosystems for Amazon sellers. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to tutorials, guides, and expert resources that help you learn, optimize, and grow your Amazon FBA business with confidence and clarity.